everyone, welcome to Popup Smart's YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you some of the best pop-up message examples to get inspired in 2022. So as you know, pop-ups are one of the most effective ways to increase sales conversion. So let's see some creative ones. We will start with Frank Body. This is a skincare brand. Their pop-up message starts with a headline saying "Pants off." So this kind of witty headline grabs people's attention immediately. And the general language used here matches with brand identity as well. In their description, they say, "Give your inbox some love with new products, tips, and more." This is a great city example. It implies that once you subscribe, you will be informed about new products and tips. This one is an excellent pop-up example that can get interaction from customers efficiently. Also, the style of the pop-up is similar to the website's overall design, which makes it look even better. So let's see our next example. This is from Lego. This is an informative pop-up example. It describes what people can simply see on the website. The word "more" is used on both sides, so it's implying that the Lego website has many things to offer to its visitors. The style of the pop-up is straightforward yet suitable for brand's identity. They use their logo and colors. The Lego characters are being used, which makes it look playful. So as you see, even if it's an informative pop-up, you don't have to form long sentences. Just keep it short and simple. Let's see our next example. MeUndies. So this is an underwear company. They used a straightforward pop-up message saying, "How's about 15% off?" And that's it. As I said before, sometimes you don't need to form long sentences. You need to be obvious and simple. So this email newsletter pop-up is offering discount to newsletter subscribers saying, "I would like the best emails in town, please." So this call to action signifies the quality of brands' emails, and using positive words like best, better, best-selling in pop-up messages can be persuasive and lead people to take action. Next, we have Old Navy. Their pop-up message starts with 20% off, and you can see it ends with "You earned it." It creates a positive effect and can persuade people to buy products. And the description part of the pop-up carries on with positive adjectives and phrases as well. As you can see, they use capitalized words to emphasize. The words "new," "big," "exclusive," and "more" are capitalized to increase the effectiveness of the sentence. You can improve your user engagement by capitalizing some of the words in your pop-up messages. Our next example is from Pool Factory, which is a company that sells pool products. As you can see, their pop-up is very unique. That's why you don't need to write some fancy words. Just sign up and say that's it. Because as I said before, the splash is very suitable for their brand's image. And yes, they have their description part here. They are just saying what they have to offer. So that's it from me. You can go back to the blog post and see other creative examples if you want. And if you want to create your first pop-up today, just go to popupsmart.com and get started. Create your pop-up in under 5 minutes. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, and I'll see you next time.